Latvia Student Visa Step-by-Step Guide. We'll break down the entire process into simple, manageable steps. Start by securing your official acceptance letter from a recognized Latvian university. This is essential for your visa application. Prepare recent financial statements showing you can cover tuition and living costs in Latvia. Purchase valid health insurance covering your entire stay in Latvia. Save your policy confirmation. Fill out the Latvian National Long Stay Visa application form accurately, either online or by hand. Pay the visa application fee. Keep the payment receipt as you'll need it for your application. Schedule a visa appointment at the Latvian embassy or consulate in your country. Make photocopies of all documents, including your passport, acceptance letter, and health insurance policy. Organize your complete application file, double-checking against a checklist to ensure nothing is missing. Arrive at the Latvian embassy for your scheduled appointment. Dress neatly and bring all documents. Provide biometric data such as fingerprints if required during your appointment at the embassy. Receive your official submission receipt from the embassy staff. Keep this document safe for future reference. Congratulations! With your visa approved, your journey to study in Latvia is ready to begin.